Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to walk you through what comes in the Coco page kit. If you haven't already and would like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video and you will find a link to my Etsy shop where you can pick up one of these kits. If you don't find it available there, please message me and I will let you know when it will be back in stock. Okay, so here are the two pages that you will make with the kit. Here's the left side and here is the right side. Now you will have to do some pen work, so I did use a fine tip black pen to do the lines around the eyes here and some of the detailing on the guitar. In your kit you will receive a sheet of instructions. On the back, there are some close-up photos for you to help you with the pen work and the detailing. You'll have to do some on him as well. Okay, you will receive 2 solid pieces of cardstock. You'll have to trim down if it has the barcodes attached. Just trim it to 12 by 12. You'll also receive the 2 background pieces. And in your instructions, it will tell you exactly what to cut these down to. Now your photo mats are already cut down to the size that I used on the kit, so you don't have to trim these at all. Just go ahead and glue them down and along with your photos. You will receive all of the large pieces are loose in your kit. So you can see this is what's cut out in the guitar, and then you will just have to do the fancy pen work. I tried to cut that out, but it just will not cut well on the machine. Okay, so this is what you'll receive, and you will get little baggies for each of the images, and they are separate to help you for easy assembly. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me, and please check out my shop on Etsy and see everything that I have available. Thank you so much and have a great day.